Hey guys and gals, welcome and welcome back to my channel. We're about to get into this makeup routine, so let's get started. So I just wanted to show you guys what I use first of all. So you're probably gonna be like, really, she does this? But I use MAC, and this is NW45. So I have to mix this because right now it's too dark because it's winter time and it's just not working. And they're all matte, so that means it's like a dry look. It's not that dewy glow look. And then I also pair it with the Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation, which is a 330. 330. What number is that? Toffee Caramel. So I mix those two together in this little jar that I have, and it's already mixed up, and I just put that on my face. So I'm literally gonna show you how I do my sloppy makeup. Like, my makeup is sloppy. And then of course for the lipstick, you guys can use any shade that you would like, but what I'm going to be using is MAC. So I've gotten, hold on, this is Del Rio, and then I also will be using Film Noir. So this is Del Rio, and I showed you guys this in my Christmas video. This is what I got for Christmas, and I absolutely love MAC. The reason why I love MAC is because it doesn't break my lips out. So I can't wear everything on my lips. Sometimes I can and sometimes I can't. For whatever reason, my lips just don't agree with everything. So MAC, it likes MAC, so I don't know. Go figure. I'll also be using Almay Liquid Liner. We're gonna see how that goes because this one, let me show you what it looks like. So the pen right here, it's literally like an ink pen. Like, I don't know. We're gonna see how that works. I've only used it like twice, but I said let me give it a go on here. I'll be using my e.l.f. brush, and this is just a powder brush. So that's what I'm gonna be using. As you can see, it's already been used. Don't come for my dirty brush. Okay, I'm just showing you guys my routine. Any kind of mascara you want to use is good. I'm just using some Old Faithful, you know, regular mascara. And if you want to plump your eyelashes up, this is actually really good. I do like the Lash Primer Wet n Wild, so that's pretty good because my eyelashes are very far and few in between, like, but it's cool. Also, if you want to fill in your eyebrows, which I don't really need to, but when I put my makeup on, I do. I just use this eyebrow pencil. I got this one is Neutrogena, so I got that. And it comes with two ends, so you got the brush to do this, and you also got this. It's actually in brown. It's not, you know, special. I like the brown one because it's darker and, you know, it goes pretty well. And as far as, I did test this out. I don't know if I was doing it right, but I did test this out, and it's like an illuminator. So I thought this was pretty cool. This is Wet n Wild, it's like a stick. I'll show you what it's looking like. So it's a stick, and that is your highlight right there. So my assumption is you're gonna, you know, smudge it out and stuff like that on your cheeks and your nose area. And it's really, really highlighted. Like, I like that. But one time, I'll get into story time. Let me do my makeup. So that's pretty much what I'm using. I'm gonna go on with this. I actually got this at Five Below City Colors. So it has a blush in there. Right here you've got the bronzer, and then right here you got the highlight. But let's get into it. So story time. I literally put that highlighter on my face, and I guess because this is a matte foundation, it was like streaky, and yeah, it didn't want to blend in. So I just put this much on here. Now, I literally do this. Oh, also a very important factor that I use in my routine when I do my makeup, and yes, I get my lips, a little bit on my lips. When I do my makeup is, I use Aquaphor on my lips. So my lips are glossy right now. I don't know if you can tell, but that's what I put on. Yeah, get those sideburns. I know it's looking cray-cray right now, but it's all gonna work. You'll see. Hopefully this video don't fail me. Because you know, you be like, yeah, it's all gonna come through. You'll see, and then you get there and you're like, damn. You like, you know what? This didn't work the way I planned it. Nothing ever works the way you plan it when you're trying to film and show people what you normally do on a daily basis. Plus, I'm doing this in my phone, guys, so I do have a mirror in front of me. I'm actually in my vanity room. It's looking a hot mess, so I'm not gonna show you what's going on in here, but like I said, messy, that's it. One swoop. Add a little bit more, and yes, I do put it on my my eyebrows, just whatever's left. Like, I don't fully put it on there. My daughter gets on my case about that. She's like, Mom, you can't put this on your eyebrows. You hardly have any. Ha ha. I'm like, you know what? That's not even funny. But I'm gonna try to see if I got everything. So if I miss something, guys, don't come for me, because literally, like I said, I am doing this on my phone and I don't want to move away from you guys and try to look in the mirror. I'm going to try to do this on my phone. I did do it before. So that's it. That's that. Boom. We done put that on. Something in my teeth. All right. So we got that on. I normally have like this little thing that I fan, but it's okay because it's still a little wet. So yeah, bear with me. This is literally what I do. But yes, enough about me. Ladies, how are you doing? Gentlemen, how are you doing today? Oh, and these contacts. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the video, but you haven't. I'm going to leave a link at the end of the video so you guys can see where I got these contacts and stuff like that. I'll leave a link in the description box where you can purchase them if that's something you want to do. All right, I think it's dry enough. Let me go ahead and get in. But I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I'm stop yapping. Maybe I'm not going to stop yapping. Okay, so I think I did leave a couple of things out, but I will show you what I have that I might have missed out on. I don't wet my sponge like everybody else does. I don't know, it just feels weird to wet my sponge. Like, I don't know, that's just me. How you see fit for yourself. Literally, like I said, I'm just showing you what I do and how I do it. Like, if I'm in a rush and stuff like that, like literally I don't take my time to do my makeup, period, like at all. I know it's not like fantabulous or whatever, but it's just what I do. I don't know why I don't like that whole wetting sensation. It feels disgusting, if I must be honest. It feels like some wet nastiness on your face. I go in with this powder. It's the Revlon Color Stay. Yes, this is how I set it and forget it. I don't I do have setting powder, but I don't use it because I don't know, I just don't use it. So my camera decided to cut itself off. I am very sorry. I don't even know what part I left off. So what I was showing you here, I guess, you know, it stopped recording, was I'm just using the Revlon Color Stay. That's what I use to set whatever areas I put light spots in. So whatever spots I use concealer in, let me see what color this is. All right, well, it ain't got no color, but it is lighter, and that's why I use it on the lighter areas. And if I feel like dusting it away, I dust it away, but other than that, I like it because it makes the color stay. It doesn't get all oily. And these are the spots where I get oily. You know, you're gonna get oily in your T-zone. For whatever reason, I get oily around my eyebrows as well. So this is the spots where I put this color stay. This color stay is the truth. I was using a ghetto brush. So it broke off. This is an e.l.f. brush, and it's just a blush brush, and that's what it is. So like I said, I have highlighter. I'm not going to be using this one today because like I said, I couldn't mush it in, but I don't want to use it and then I mess this up. So the highlighter I normally use is right here. We're going to use that. I just take my brush, I pitch it like this. I do this. I come down my nose. I do this. Bam. You want a little up there? Why not? You know what I mean? Look at that. Ooh, it's good. I come right down the center, like that. And I don't know if you guys heard me saying that I put Aquaphor on my lips. That is, just in case you guys don't know what Aquaphor is, this is what I use on my lips because you know you don't want your lips dry and ashy and crusty. I do that before I do my makeup all the time. Okay, and then we'll put a little bit of highlighter here, just a highlighter. All right, let's get those cheekbones. So I have high cheekbones. I don't really be thinking I need highlight, but you see, they're all the way up here, like, like, do I really need highlighter? But I like it. I think it's cute. Look, it's all shiny now, like two shiny apples. Then I'm gonna go in with the blush. I know it looks really pale, like it's actually really pink. See, it's kind of pink. And yeah, I use the same brush for everything. Like I ain't got time to be mixing up stuff. Like I said, this is a sloppy makeup routine. So it's kind of like I merge the two together between the, what do you call that? I'm sorry, I'm trying to smile so I can get this on. Between the highlighter and the blush, I mix those two together. So maybe you're out there and you have high cheekbones like me, or some features that I have. Maybe this video will help you, and it's super quick to get. Just take a tissue and take the excess, you know, makeup. Like I said, I put makeup all over and stuff like that. So take off the excess Aquaphor, and then you go in with your two colors that you're using. Or if you want to just do one color, you can do one color. Like, you don't have to layer it up. But that's what I like to do. Like I said, that's just what I do. So you guys can do whatever you want. And especially it's good for like if your lips are discolored and stuff like that. Like, I absolutely hate that about my lips. Like, I am legit trying to get that on using my phone. Okay, not bad. Nope, a little crooked. Anyways, we're gonna fix that. And my main thing is to get the top part, like where your two little peaks are. So that's one. So the first color I put on, so you guys know what it looks like, is Film Noir. That's the darker color. It's like a dark brown. And then in the center, I'm gonna go in with the Del Rio. So here we go. And yeah, smooth it on in. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. And I just smush it together. Okay. This is the second time it has cut off. I don't know if I'm even gonna put this video up. Okay guys, so I finally figured out what was going on with my phone. It actually wasn't my phone because I love my phone and it's really great. But what happened was I ran out of storage space. So I had to go in and delete a whole bunch of things. Pretty much what I did was just transfer my files over to my computer, and then that solved that problem. But it just kept happening and I didn't understand what was going on, so I was getting really frustrated, and I don't want you guys to see me frustrated, so just enjoy the rest of this video. And yeah, I'm just putting my eyeliner on, and you know, it's looking good, sort of. It's getting there, but I'll let you guys watch the rest of this video. Peace. So, when you F up your eyeliner, all you want to do is go in and F up the other eye. Oh my god, that's so funny. Yep, eyeliner is definitely something I do not put on camera. Alright, okay. Get that centerpiece. Bam. This eye does look a little bit more darker and this eye does not, but it's okay. All you do is take pictures on the one side that matters, correct? Which side do you want to take pictures on? I don't do none of that photoshopping, editing. Number one, because I don't know how to. And number two, I ain't got time for that. Who has time to be fine-tuning and tweaking and all this craziness that be going on the internet and on Instagram? Alright, so my eyebrows is really light, but you can still see them. But if you did want to, I just fill them in like this. It's just ever so slightly and create like a point coming down with the pencil. I hope this video comes out good because y'all, like I said, my camera keeps cutting off. I don't even understand. It's fully charged and I don't know, it literally I was like talking and it just was like, haha, F you. It was like, yeah, okay, you think you're recording, So sometimes one comes out a little bit darker than the other, and so you just fill it in. But anyways, I know I'm not looking at you guys, but that's because I'm looking at my eyebrows and what I'm doing. But I am paying attention to you. Hello, I see you. You're here. Thank you for being a part of my channel. I appreciate you. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I create. But remember, my channel is called A Little Bit of Everything. So if this is something that you don't want to see, I understand that. But it would still be nice for you to support me. Thank you. So, you know, you got your guys on here and they're like, I don't want to see that makeup. But, you know, this is what I want to do. It's my channel and I love it. So, I got some eyebrows on. It looks like I missed a spot up here. Anyways, you miss a spot, you just dab it in. This is good. I can look at the mirror and look at you guys. Haha. All right, I'm on to something. I hope this comes out looking good. I don't know why is it when you do your eyelashes, for whatever reason, or you're doing your eye, you go like this. Now I know I'm not crazy. This is literally the third time that my phone decides it wants to cut off. Okay, camera, let me tell you something. You can record this video, okay? Okay, let's get back to the program. This is CoverGirl. I don't even know what kind because everything done rubbed off. This is like my ride or die. Really natural makeup. So weird, right? I'm so weird. But you guys love me, right? Because I love you. I hope you guys love me. So you guys actually get to sit down and talk. Oh my God. Don't look at that eye. I know it's a little dry. Don't look. It's good. But that wing though, that wing is fire. Forget about the rest of the eye. That wing is fire. Nah, this one's okay. It's okay. It is fire. Alright guys, so now that concludes the rest of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching and joining me on this little makeup chit chat, you know, my makeup routine, which is sloppy, but this is how I get ready. You guys don't have a problem with it, right? Alright. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be. I think I want to surprise you guys. Alright.